We're the original DIY solar. We only use top-name brands like EVE and CATL batteries and German-engineered Axitec bifacial solar modules in our systems. And when it comes to inverters, we only use reliable, higher performance, low-frequency, transformer-based, and silicon carbide-based high-frequency designs to safely power your appliances 24/7. You won't find the cheap, standard MOSFET high-frequency inverters that everyone else is selling in our kits.
Looking for power that won't let you down. DIY Solar's the talk of the town. They've got the juice, they've got the spark, lighting up dreams when the nights get dark. Best price, best service, it's what they do. Power your life with a system that's true. No grid, no limits, just free energy. DIYsolar.com is the one for me. The sun's your friend and the grid's your foe. Why pay for power when the sun's a go? They've got the tech, they've got the brains. DIY Solar breaks the chains. No more bills, no more sighs. Energy, freedom under blue skies. Best price, best service, it's what they do. Power your life with a system that's true. No grid, no limits, just free energy. DIYsolar.com is the one for me.
Whether you need off-grid power for a rock band's lighting and sound system in the middle of the Black Rock Desert in Nevada, or you want to say goodbye to your high electric bills in the middle of suburbia, DIYsolar.com has got you covered with the absolute lowest prices, the very best products, and unparalleled service.
Plug into the sun, it's a golden stream, fueling your life like a solar dream. No wires, no ties, just a brighter scene. DIY Solar keeps it green.